Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Simply Steph. That's me. I would be her. So, in today's video, we are actually getting into the correct month. This is the GlowAddict box for the month of September. Yes, we are in the right month now. I think I'm done with all the boxes. They all came finally. Sorry to put you through all that. It's just how they came. Anyway, if you want to see, like I certainly want to see, because this is one of them boxes that I just started getting and I'm also liking. So, yeah, let's see what came in September's box. Are we going to keep it? What are we going to do with this box? Let's decide. All right. So, like I said, if you want to see like I want to see, then please, by all means, keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not. Rate the video thumbs up. Turn on that bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thank you. Okay guys, so yes, we have GlowAddict, the beauty box subscription. This is the $18.99 box. I believe shipping is... No, there's $2.99 shipping, something like that. I will leave all the information down below, plus a link to get you to the website. And... yeah, I do have active giveaways going on. There are 2 of them. I will hopefully remember to link those videos down below. If not, please just go check them out. It's a pick your palette one. And then there's also another palette that I'm giving away. It is a dupe for the Venus 3 palette. I have it on my eyes now. Yeah, so that's always a good thing. And you can't really get it, as far as I know. You can't get it anymore. So there's an important thing too. I forgot to mention that. If you can't get it, at least you have a chance to get it now. Okay? And I know it only costs $12.99, but look how well it performs. I mean, I made this look, well, this side, wait. I forget what side, but one of the sides is with that and the other one's with the Venus 3. But that's how close they are, guys. I mean, come on. Anyway, GlowAddict, let's see what we got in here. I'm kind of liking the subscription. I mean, $21, okay. $18, if you know, I really wish that it would be just $18, $18.99, but you know, that's the cheap side of me. But anyway, let's see when you open her up. Please have a card. I don't know if they have a card. So there we have that. Let's see. Anything? No card. What? Okay, so I'm gonna have to go on the website and look everything up. I was hoping to get this up lickety split. However, I might have to what's this? I might have to go and look up the prices. So hopefully I'll get it up within the month of September. Anyway, we have a Steve Laurent product right here, which I do like Steve Laurent. I happen to have a bunch of his lip liners here. I do have a lip oil from him, which I do like. So yeah, there's that. I mean, I don't think I've had anything else, but I do know there were some issues with the owner, but I try to stay out of all that, you know. But let's open it up and see what it is, since I don't have a card, which is, do we ever get a card with this? I thought we did, but okay. Let's see. What is this? This is a... Oh, I do have this. So I don't know where it is. If I tried to look for it right now, I would never be able to find it. So... but I can assure you that I have this. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this and put it in a giveaway. And let me tell you something, guys. I do use this, and that's why I can't find it, because I don't know where I use it. I set it down, I pick it up. So I do use this. I do also have another one here. It's Luna by Luna, and I love lip oils. So you have that. And it's, again, Steve Laurent. You know, not sure about that, but it's Steve Laurent, and I don't know the price. I will link it up here. But yeah, I have one of these already, so I'm going to go ahead and stick this in a giveaway for one of you guys. And we have Flaunt Beauty. What is this? Hold on, I gotta put my glasses on. Oh wait, let's just do this one because, oh look, it's one of these scrubby things. I just sent Miss Sylvia a nice one. It's a glove. Woo! Miss Sylvia, if you see this video, comment down below. How's that thing working? It's a glove you put on and you clean your brushes. And I think I have one. I'm pretty sure I have the same one. I just don't know where it is. So I have one that's a big one, that almost as big as a sink. Literally, guys, no kidding. In my kitchen sink, it's like this big. And you just put the 4 little sucky things down like this one. They have 4 on each corner. And you just can do your whole sink is one big mat. It's crazy. So this one here You know, here's a little tip, guys. You see how these are bumped up? And then you see how they have this on the bottom here? You can literally, and I kid you not, I've done it, I've used it, I still do it. I have a little one that's meant, it says brush cleaner on it, but I put my fingers behind this. I don't want to take this out, but because I have so many. You can put your fingers through here, and you can use it as an exfoliator. I kid you not. You put your cleanser on, and you go ahead and you rub around with your fingers. We'll hold this, because it comes up over your fingers like that. You slip it through, and it will not fall off your fingers, and you can use it as an exfoliator. You can use each side however you want. It's great. I mean, dual purpose. Clean your brushes or clean your face. You decide. All right. Don't know how much it is. I will try and leave the total up here, but always happy to get one of these. You know, this is. Let me go for this here. I'm sorry, but I don't know what these are. Wait, never mind. I have my glasses on. So this is. So I have something like this from Ardell, right? Oh, I shook you again. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I have these. I don't really use these anymore. When I was first learning how to put lashes on, definitely. I have a tip for you about lashes. I'm going to tell you in 1 second. But I used to use these, and occasionally I still will when I'm squeezing my lashes with the falsies, my fake false eyelashes with my real eyelashes. You know, when I put mascara on them, I'll squeeze them together. I'll use this one. I don't poke myself in the eye because you can get really close to your eyelid with these. Occasionally I will use that. Oh my God, there I go shaking you again. I'm so sorry. So this is one of these. This is a metal one though. I think I have one. I have magnetic lashes over there that I got off eBay for like, I don't know, $5 or something, and they don't work. But anyway, they come with something like this. So, and we have Flaunt Beauty, this packaging. Oh, these are magnetic? Okay, wait. These are magnetic. Okay, that's okay. Oh, now I get it. All right, hang on a second. Ooh, I'm excited. What? Yeah, I wonder if they work. Please let them work because my eyelashes are suffering from wearing false eyelashes. Oh, they're so pretty. Those are pretty. Look at, guys. I'm going to hold them. Oh, you can't really see. Let me do it in here. I should have just. Why did I not show you the packaging? I'm so terrible at that. I'm so sorry. Okay, so you have the I never could understand why they give you magnetic eyelash thingy majiggies when you have magnetic lashes because it sticks to the metal. But anyway, okay, all right. I thought that was just the company I bought them from, but it seems like it's a lot. But anyway, here they go. I'm not even gonna put it back. There you go. There are the lashes, and these are cute. They're totally doable because they're magnetic. So I could definitely, remember, they start smaller in the corners, as you can see, and they flare out. So I always cut them off, and then I start them, like, right, here and go out. I never go to the inner corner. That's so bothersome, and it's so annoying. It's irritating. So, okay. So, and it comes with the liner. Right there, as you can see that. There's the lashes and there's the liner. Oh, please let this work. Please. Because I don't do liner, guys, because I have hooded eyes. So if I was to take up the space I have right here, because you can barely see. Let me see. I have my mirror here. Ooh, it was in that video the whole time. See, I barely have any space between here and here. So to take it up with liner, I tight line is what I do. And I like to use lashes that have like an invisible band. So when I tight line between my lashes, it'll give it a little bit of a darkness and it gives the illusion that my eyes are lined, but they are not. So I would have to do this very thin, and then hopefully maybe one or like 2 or 3 coats maybe, like keeping it so thin. And I don't do wings because, these ancient eyes are definitely not going to hold the wing very well. But I am also, should I do a video? And you guys could see how I fumble through doing these. I could put on regular lashes probably. Yeah, let's do it. It's a date. We're going to do it. We're going to do this on camera, whether it be in a live or a video. And then I'm going to show you how the lashes stick to the metal thing. I don't understand why they use metal. It doesn't make any sense to me, but okay. But let's do that. Let's try and put these on together. You want to laugh? Definitely tune into that video. Okay. So here you have that. Don't know the price. I will look it up. And the last thing in the box, guys, is from Estetica. Now, Estetica is, see, a pricey brand, kind of like Bella Pierre a little bit. Not maybe as expensive, but I've heard that they are pretty expensive. So I'm curious to see how much this is going to be worth. What is this? This is a palette. I don't know what it is though. I didn't look at anything. I'm still in August. Like, I didn't even get to look at anything. I don't even know what's in my glitz. I hope we weren't supposed to customize for Glitz Glam Box, because I totally didn't. But I always trust Chanel. She knows my style. And if not, anything I get, I'm alright with them. Okay, so Glow Glam Box? GlowAddict Box. Okay. This is Estetica. Oh, Contour series. So this is a contour palette. Okay. Oh, I always do this. There's the packaging right there. And when you open her up, oh, it comes with a booklet. Oh, I am so down with that. Thank you, Jesus. I mean, I don't know how to contour my thing. Like, I have the littlest bit of powder right here, if you can see. I don't know. Can you see that? It's the littlest bit. It gives me a little bit of cheekbones, just a little bit, just ever so slightly. And then I'll do here, because I don't want my head to be so big. My face is really big, so if I kind of try, like, yeah, you know what I mean. Anyway, what size face do I have? Big. They don't have big in here. They have oval, square, triangle, round. Anyway, there is a book that comes telling you how to contour your face, where you would put it. That's awesome. Awesome. And let's see, the palette comes with a mirror, and it has the Estetica girl. Oh no, she reminded me of the Bella Pierre contouring girl, sorry. Anyway, this is cool. I like that. That is even better placement application. What is that? Oh no. Oh man, I should have known. Seen that? I gotta contact them. Wow, seriously? Alright guys, let me show you. See, where is it? See this one? And that's probably one of the ones I would use, because, you know, I'm so white. I'm so pasty white. But anyway, I'll get a hold of GlowAddict and let them know that it came broken. Well, that stinks. Okay. But anyway, the 3 bottom shades are okay. And I don't know about these 2 upper shades. I can't really show you. I apologize for that. But there you go. I mean, if I dump it... Yeah, I don't want to mess it. I have to do something with it, because I can't leave it up there. Let me try and push it back in here. It's going to smash. I don't know. They're not soft. It's not like I can press them back in. But there is a piece stuck in the fold of the palette. That sucks. Okay, I'm going to have to sweep. Note to self, sweep. Hold on. Let me just tap that. Maybe that'll get out of there a little bit. Yeah, no, it's ruined. Okay, so... Here you have a little bit better. Do these shadows come out? Yeah, they do. Is this a Z palette? Oh, it's a Z palette. Okay, I'm definitely calling them. Yeah, I am. But anyway, because I want that shadow. Okay. Oh, jeez. So there you have it, guys. That's what it looks like. There's my messy background. Okay. But yeah. All right. Well, I'll call them and let them know. Let me put this back in here. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, I should have seen it when I picked up the plastic. You could see the square. I didn't realize what that was. I was looking at it like, what is that? I didn't know if it was part of the, you know, print on the plastic or what. Okay, so there you have that. That's a bummer that it's broken, but I'm gonna reach out, and I'm pretty sure they'll take care of it. I mean, you get a broken item, isn't that what subscription? Yeah, see, look, it's all on the outside. I didn't even see that. All right, well, ooh, I just blew it right up my nose. Oh, and down my throat. That's terrible. All right, let me put this back in. I'm going to put it back in the bubble wrap. But there you have it, guys. I will leave the total of the box. So to recap, we have the contouring palette. However, it is broken. I will contact them and see if they'll send me another one or whatever. Maybe in that shade or something. I don't know. And we have the magnetic eyelashes, which I'm also excited to try. And I'm going to do a video with it. Promise. And then I have... It's going to be a hell of a video. And then we have the brush cleaner thingamajiggy mat, or a face cleaner. You grab this and you go in. I'm telling you, it works. You think I'm crazy, but it works. It exfoliates really. You don't have to go hard, but it works. And then we also have the Steve Laurent, which is going to give away because I have this and I use it all the time. All right, so that's the 4 products. 5 if you want to count the tweezers, but I think that comes in a set. So yeah, guys, for $18.99, this is not a bad subscription. This would have made it all the worth and more if it wasn't broken. But like I said, if they send me a new one, no harm, no foul. I'm cool with it. Mistakes happen. I get that. As long as they rectify it, I'm not mad, you know. Yeah, you know what I mean? It's crap happens, you know. But, all right. So if I haven't said it already, please, guys, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me. It absolutely would. Trying to grow the channel out to get to 500 would be my next milestone, so I can have a huge giveaway, which, by the way, I do have 2 active giveaways going on right now. I will link them down below if you have not gotten in on them. Please do so. One ends at the end of the month. The other one ends in, I believe, 2 weeks or so. But go ahead and check out those videos and get all the information on how to enter. And what else? Yeah, if you're new here, please subscribe. Like I said, please, no matter what, subscribed or not, please rate the video a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Like, it will help YouTube share the video. And welcome to all my newbies, and welcome to welcome back, I'm sorry, to everyone who's been here with me since the beginning. If not for you guys, I would not still be here. You guys are my family, each and every one of you, whether you're young here or been here for a while. Absolutely part of my family, and I love each and every one of you oh so much. So please remember, if you're feeling down, reach out to someone. Contact me on Instagram. I'll listen. I'll talk to you. I love speaking to you in the comment section below. It's my sunshine in the morning. It's my sunshine at night. I relax. It wakes me up, or it puts me to sleep. Not like boring, but relaxed, you know. I love answering comments, you know, in the morning with my coffee or at night when I lay down. Yes, please remember to rate the video, and oh so much, if you have something to say to somebody, please do so. Don't wait till that perfect moment, because you may not get the opportunity. And also, the most important thing with everything going on in this world right now, guys, to my family, please stay safe. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.